welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing an empty apartment tour. It has been a long time coming. It took us 14 and a half hours to get here. As you guys know, I moved to Miami, and so this is the empty apartment tour, and I'm gonna make this pretty quick because we have Wi-Fi coming to set up, and I don't want to be like in the way and stuff. So right when you walk in, this is the front door. Right when you walk in, to the left is the washer and dryer. It actually, funny, came with it, so I had to sell my old washer and dryer just so I can make sure that it fit and everything. And then you open up to the kitchen, which is like my favorite part is the kitchen. I have like new appliances, new everything, and I love the white cabinets and like the, I don't know, is this quartz countertops? I don't really even know. Love this part. And then it opens, so I had to sell my dining table and everything because they don't have like a dining room. It's just like bar stools on each side. So I gotta like shop for that. I'm gonna take you guys along on that, like vlogging and stuff like that. And then you open up to the living room and then the balcony. And then we come this way and we have a closet here. And then here's the master bedroom. Huge, well, they're huge to me. These huge windows, and I love how there's windows on each side of the bed because my bed will be like in the center. Over here we have two closets. This is gonna be my coat closet, and it's gonna be the main closet. And then we have the master bathroom, and there's a walk-in shower, you guys. Like, I'm so excited about that. And so then we walk out, and it's a split floor plan. So the other side is like for my beauty room. I'm gonna do it as a beauty room as opposed to like a second bedroom. So this is going to be my filming room. And then another big closet, which is amazing. I can put all my filming stuff in it and everything. And then we go this way. And this is the second bathroom. And this one actually has a tub, which is good. And then, you know, just a traditional sink. And then the closet over here, which is gonna be good. And yeah, so then we just come back out here.
Hi guys, good morning. Well, at least it's morning when I'm filming this. I actually filmed the first part of this video maybe like 2 weeks ago, maybe a week and a half ago, something like that. And I didn't realize it was really short. Here I am in the future filming the amenities for you guys so that you can kind of see the different things that come with my apartment. So let's head over and let's take a look at those things. Walking through, and I love the palm trees. It is so beautiful everywhere I look. More palm trees. So the first place we're going into is the mail room. It's so pretty. I absolutely love the mail room. I need to check my mailbox. That's why we stopped here first. And this is what it looks like. Look, palm trees everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about the palm trees, but this is the mail room. Within the mail room, they also have a dry cleaning and laundry service. You put in your own pen here, and then you put your clothes inside the locker. And then you place your order, and then they text you when it's ready. I don't know, I just think it's so cool. I'm going to try to test this out and get my rug dry cleaned. It's a small rug, so I'm going to be taking advantage of this amenity for sure. And then over here, if your package is too big to fit inside one of these, they give you like a piece of paper with a code on it, and you come over here and you enter the code, and it unlocks a specific spot that your package is in. So that's really cool as well. Now we're going to head out of the mailroom. Walk a little further, you see the dog park, which is really cool if you have a dog. I don't actually have a dog yet, but I do plan on it. It's cleaned multiple times throughout the day, they say. I see a lot of duty on the ground, so I don't know if it really is, but this is the dog park here. And then if we walk a little bit further on that same note, there is is a dog washing room where you can have your dog there, and over here as well. And it looks like a blow dryer of some sort right there, and it has like pictures on the wall and everything. Such a nice feature if you do have a dog. So when I get one, I'm definitely going to be using it. So now I am in the leasing office, and I'm going to show you guys the fitness center, the coffee machine, and the pool, which is really nice. A lot of people in here, so I'm trying to wait to show you guys the coffee because I'm gonna make myself a coffee here. So this is the machine here, and it is Starbucks, which is really nice. I was gonna go like walk to Starbucks. I might still do that, to be honest. And then just take my cup with me. I'm gonna do coffee, and then I guess I'll do, hard choice. Let's do veranda light, and I'm gonna do short. And then while you're making your coffee, if you look over to the left, you have the beautiful pool. So this is the pool here, and then behind the waterfall is actually like the jacuzzi area. But we're gonna go out there in a second. Grab my coffee. Okay, on the right side, right when you walk in here, there are a bunch of cycling bikes, which you guys know I love to cycle, which I haven't been doing it so much lately at the expense of having a membership. But now this comes with my apartment. So you walk in and you have 5 bikes, and then over here you have like some workout equipment, and then up here are the virtual classes. This is kind of the remote to the TV. So you set up your class over here, and then it appears on this screen, which is so nice. I'm definitely going to be taking advantage of that probably when I get back later on today. This is like an overview of the fitness center. My favorite parts is that they provide frozen towels for you, which is so luxe. And taking a few more steps around the corner, arrive at the pool area, which is hard to see right now. Okay, so this is the first part here, and this has grills, has like bar seating, lounge seating, and it's really, really nice for you to like host little parties or family over, or just come down here and just cook up you some burgers or whatever the case. And literally right next to it is the pool. I've already been in the pool. Not today, but like since I've been here, I've already been in it, and it is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And then I'm gonna take you guys over to the jacuzzi. This jacuzzi is normally like more intense than it is right now, but it is really, really nice. I almost forgot about this little area that you can come to have meetings or just come do some work on your laptop. Always people in here, so you can like make friends and stuff like that if you want to. But yeah, so this is the little meeting area. So that is the end of this tour, both the empty apartment tour and the amenities tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The next video, not the next video, but like coming soon will be my furnished apartment tour, because that's pretty much done. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and stay tuned for vlogs and other videos, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.